Hi, my name is Sonia Woodstra, and this is my presentation on vitamin E. Okay, so vitamin E is fat-soluble, and it refers to a group of fat-soluble compounds that are distinctively antioxidant. This includes tocopherols and tocotrienols. It also includes 8 other chemical forms, and alpha-tocopherol is the only one recognized to meet human requirements, and it is primarily metabolized in our livers. Okay, so the best sources of vitamin E are found in almonds, spinach, sweet potato, avocado, wheat germ, sunflower seeds, palm oil, and butternut squash through eating them naturally. Some of the best benefits of vitamin E consumption is that it can help balance your cholesterol, it helps fight free radicals and prevents disease development, it can repair damaged skin, it can help thicken your hair and balance your hormones, and in women it can help with PMS symptoms. Alright, so there are recommended daily amounts of vitamin E. For kids, it's 6 to 11 milligrams a day. For women, it's 15 unless you're breastfeeding. It's 15 in men as well. And then there's an amount that you can too much when you're eating too much vitamin E, but it's 200 to 1,000 milligrams. So it's a very, very high amount that would be difficult to do. So as I was saying, if you take 300 to 800 IU each day, you could have a higher risk for heart failure, stroke, worsening of bleeding disorders, increased chance of head, neck, and prostate cancer returning, increased bleeding during and after surgery. But like I said, it's very, very difficult to eat that amount of vitamin E every day. So it's something that happens pretty rarely. Similarly, vitamin E deficiency doesn't happen super often, and it's primarily related to having another disease. It can sometimes be caused by diet, but most of the time it's people who have fat absorption problems, such as people with inflammatory bowel disease. So for most people, it's not a problem. And some cool facts about vitamin E. It's really helpful for skin problems, so chapped lips, it helps fade your scars and stretch marks, and it helps protect you from toxins as well. If you're a smoker, if you're in the sun a lot, it can help reverse some of that damage. So that is my presentation on vitamin E.